Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to add audio file in your web page. So we can use audio tag and there must be an closing tag. Basically, audio file have three standard formats such as .mp3, .wav and .ogg for web browser. The audio element has a number of attributes which allow you to control audio playback. Okay, first comes to control attribute. This attribute is used to add audio control like play, pause, and volume. Okay, if you do not use these attributes, then no control will be shown. Okay. Then comes to src attribute. This attribute specify where the audio file is located. Suppose I want to add this audio file means ifl.mp3. Okay, so src equal to within quotation file name and file name is ifl.mp3. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see we have a nice audio control. Okay, let's play the music. Also we can change the volume up and down, mute, all that thing. Okay, then comes to auto play attribute. Okay, this attribute indicates that the audio should start playing automatically. Okay, as you can see. Okay, then comes to loop attribute. This attribute specifies that audio track should play again once it has finished, as you can see. Okay, I will see you guys in next video.